A bakery purchased 120 liters of cooking oil. So in our problem, that 120 liters of cooking oil is our initial value. That is the amount that we start with. And then each week, the bakery uses 6 liters of oil. When you use something, you're taking it away, so it's getting smaller. So we're going to subtract, and we're going to subtract 6 liters of oil per day. So that is our rate of change. I'm sorry, I think I said each day, and I meant each week. So every week we use 6 liters of oil. A says complete the table. So we're gonna complete the table. And my initial value is here. And notice the next value on our table is 4 weeks. So from the initial value, we take away 6 liters because our rate of change is 6 each week. So if 4 weeks has gone by, we're going to do -6 times 4, which means between week 0 and week 4, they've used 24 liters. So we need to take 120 and subtract 24, which leaves us with 96. From 4 to 8 is another 4 weeks. So we need to subtract another 24. And we get 72. And then for any number of weeks, to determine how much cooking oil we have left, we take the initial value and we subtract the rate of change, and it's 6 liters per week. So it'll be 120 minus 6W. And the function notation to write the rule using C of W, we'll say C of W, which stands for the cooking oil as a function of weeks, is equal to that initial value minus the rate of change. So we're taking this and using it to make our rule. Now it says on the coordinate plane, sketch a graph of the function. So I'm going to zoom in here, and our initial value, we start off with 120 liters on 0 days. Then if I go back up to the table at 4 weeks, we had 96 liters left. So I'll put another coordinate at 4 weeks. We had, 96. So somewhere about there. Then at 8 weeks, we had 72. So that's going to be about there. Connect it with the line. Then it says solve the equation. So C of W. So we need to bring our function rule down here. So C of W. Then it says to solve for a C of W equals 42. So I'm going to replace C of W with 42. and then solve by isolating my variable. So subtract 120 from both sides. Sorry, I don't know why that's shaking so much, guys. My bad. So that cancels. Bring down my negative 6w. Then divide both sides by negative 6. My number of weeks is equal to 13. Last question, what does the solution mean in this situation? After 13, where did I get the 13 from? Right here. And this is 13 weeks. There were 42 liters of oil left.